Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. My name is George and today we're in the 2018 Dodge Durango SRT and it's going to be a little bit different of a video. I'm going to be talking about some problems I've encountered with the SRT. Now if you've watched our previous videos, you know I've only had the SRT since about mid-June, early July, and this is a 2018 model, so it is now 2022. By the way, Happy New Year and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you. So this vehicle is about 4 years old now. I believe it was built in May of 2018, if I recall correctly. I could be wrong, I gotta double check on that. So the vehicle is approaching 4 years old and the problems are starting to show themselves. So right now I'm currently on my way to a dealership here to get everything diagnosed. I have the SRT division at Dodge involved, like the helpline, I guess you could call them, and hopefully get everything covered under warranty, because I am still within warranty of the bumper-to-bumper 36,000 mile 3-year stuff. So I've got 27,000 miles on the Durango right now, so I'm trying to keep the mileage low, that way I don't have any problems. But with the warranty, I mean, I'm already starting to have problems, and they're not like terrible problems, but they're just problems that I want to be fixed, because A, I paid a lot of money for this car, and B, you know, I want this car in pristine condition. So 3 problems that I've had so far. The first one is I have obviously the Uconnect radio, the touchscreen, all that. It's starting to delaminate and there is a big bubble on the top of the screen. Now it's not that big of a deal. The radio still works, all the touch features still work, and everything works great. Just very annoying. You can just see this big bubble across the top of the screen. I am gonna see if I can get a video of it. It's kind of hard to see in certain lightings. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but that's the first problem. The second problem that I'm having is the dashboard seems to be warping a little bit. Where the leather meets the plastic, there's the daylight sensor and all that for the lights and everything. It's starting to warp. I have pushed it back into place. There is a couple clips and everything that keep everything in place, but it just seems to keep popping back up. So I'm hoping that Dodge is going to cover that and give me some sort of new dashboard, whether it's the plastic piece or whatever. And last but not least, the SRT logo in the steering wheel is flickering on and off. And not a big deal. However, it's very annoying when you start the car, you know, at night and the interior lights are on and it's just kind of flickering in your face, because obviously the steering wheel is the focal point of the driver's view. So you kind of just get this flickering light on and off. So anyways, I'm on my way to the dealership right now. Hopefully Dodge is going to cover everything, especially the radio, because that's like a $3,000 radio, and I'm not trying to pay that out of pocket for something that's not my fault. None of this is my fault. I haven't modified the vehicle in any way that would cause any problems. So hopefully Dodge steps up to the plate, covers everything, and gets everything figured out. So I'll catch up with you guys once I get back from the dealership. I'll kind of show you what's going on and talk about it a little bit more in depth. Well, just finished up at the dealership. Took a little while, but that's a-okay. So everything is going to be covered under warranty, thank God, because I did not want to pay for any of that, because that would have been so much money out of pocket between the radio and the steering wheel and everything else. So 2 out of the 3 things are going to be replaced. So the radio is going to be replaced, and so isn't the airbag that is attached to the steering wheel. It's a non-serviceable part, the SRT like logo light up emblem, so I guess it comes with the airbag. I don't really know too much about it, so I'm gonna do a little bit more research into that just to see what's kind of being replaced. But of course that's on back order, so that's gonna take a little while to get here. But however, the radio is on order, and so isn't the airbag with the light. So the only thing that didn't get fixed, or is not going to be covered under warranty, I should say, is the dashboard. The dashboard was just kind of unclicked the defroster plate. That's that plastic piece I was showing earlier. It kind of just had come undone, and I had a feeling that that's what all it was, because I had pushed it back into place and then it kind of just popped out. So I guess one of the technicians just kind of fixed some of the clips and got it secured down, so that's all set. So 2 out of the 3 things are going to be covered under warranty, and the third thing is already been fixed, so we're good there. So thank you so much to the Dodge team for working on this. So this is going to be a 2-part video, obviously, because it's going to be a little while before everything gets fixed. So stick around for part 2. As always, my name is George. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and share this video wherever you can. And as always, we'll catch you next time.